Well, it's official. Life in the US might, again, be like a box of chocolates, but man, life in Jamaica, it's like buying a broken tile bag of wonders. You never know what you're going to get. For the child, school is supposed to be a doorway to possibilities they can't see yet, a place to practice reading the world, not just books, to learn how to think, how to try, how to get back up after not getting it right the first time. But kids don't wake up thinking about the long term. They wake thinking about shoes that suddenly feel too tight, a homework sheet left on the table, or who they hope sits next to them today. Their world is right now, immediate, present. For the parent, though, school is preparation. It's waking them early, nudging them forward, packing what they forgot, reminding them of what they'd rather ignore. It's investing time and energy in hopes they'll invest in themselves one day. We guide, we push, we correct, and sometimes we get frustrated because we see a bigger picture than they can imagine. We know that habits built now become patterns later. That effort today becomes opportunity tomorrow. But here's the tension. At some point, the child's decisions start to outweigh the parent's intentions. We can lay the foundation, but we can't walk the whole road for them. We can show them why school matters, but we can't force them to care. And accepting that truth, well, that's its own kind of responsibility. The responsibility of letting go just enough to let them choose who they want to become. Because these mornings, the small routines, the reminders, the push to keep going, this is where responsibility starts, for them and for us. And in the end, I have to trust what I pour in, even if it feels like it gets overlooked or shrugged off, still settles somewhere deep. Maybe not showing today, maybe not tomorrow, but growing all the same. Their choices won't always match my hopes, and their paths won't always look like the one I imagined. But that's the journey. That's the part where they begin to become themselves. So we watch them heading down the road, uniforms catching the morning breeze, laughing, arguing, dreaming. And I remind myself to release a little, hope a lot, and be present for whatever comes next. Because the story isn't written yet, and as long as they keep stepping forward, even in their own way, there's every reason to believe they'll find their way to something good. Mm-hmm. Right?
But look at me. Yes. You know you're not supposed to run out of the yard, right? You're not supposed to go nowhere. You're supposed to stay in the yard. When we are going out, you're supposed to be in the yard to protect you, right, Spot? Hello, little man. Ay, ay, ay. You're so nice. You want me to.
School is back on, which means the coffee is hot. The weather's actually pretty cool. And Dave has a project. What's your project, Dave? You gotta make a volcano. It has to fully active, huh? Okay. And what's your plan? You don't know what your plan is. Cool.
We don't know how to make it.
Why don't you go ask Google? I know, right? No Wi-Fi, no Google. How are we ever going to figure out how to make an active, fully active volcano?
You have service.
I have a little bit of service, yes. I have a, you know what Mentos are? Huh? You don't know what Mentos are? They're like mints. I don't know if they sell them here, Jamaica. Don't let us down. We're gonna apparently have to go for a Mentos shop. Because I know if you put Mentos in soda, ooh, it's fully active.
Oh, and they blew up.
Yeah. But Dave, where's the volcano we're gonna put it in?
We have to make it first.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Tomorrow, 20.
No. Thursday. Wait, what day's today? No, you've got, today's the 18th, just in case you're keeping record, of November, 2025 edition. So yeah, you have tonight and you have tomorrow night. But it shouldn't be hard, Dave. You have to just make the volcano. Part of me wants to bust out the old paper mache. You know, if you know, we should do it. You know, little plaster of Paris. Those are my middle school jargon words.
I make them, and then when I put in it, it's just flow.
Supposedly, look at that. It's just flowing off the tongue naturally now. But you need to build a volcano, and good news is I think Andre left his almost empty bottle of juice on the table. We could build a volcano around that, and then use the container as the inside, as the bowels of the container. Mm-hmm. And I see some cardboard we could use as a base. Fully. Okay, you just keep shining those shoes, Dave. All right, volcanoes.
Good morning, YouTubers. So I am going to be asking Sonia if I can have some cornflakes, and I'm going to tell you about my day at school yesterday. So yesterday was fine because I do maths, language arts, and science and civics. I do them and get my mark right, my math and my language arts, and I go to lesson class after school. So that was my day, and I play with my friend, and then I come back over and bed and play iPad. That was my day. So I'm going to be asking Sonia. Sonia. Good morning. Can I get some cornflakes?
Anyway, yes, it's teenage drama this morning. They know if they don't leave by 7:20, they only get $1,000 rather than the negotiated $1,500. And it's 7:18. And I'm hiding in the back. I'm hiding in the back with my Head and Shoulders hair, just admiring art. This is the start. Just a bunch of broken tile pieces hanging out, having a good time. And it's gonna go all the way to there, all the way to there, and we'll be good. Complete with a dog. Bad news is we have to go get some more tiles. There's some of the tiles, dare I say, a bit slick, and therefore we're gonna have to go tile shopping today. But a fun version is we're going shopping for chipped tiles today. Chipped tiles, tiles that are chipped, greatly reduced. It's kind of like dented cans, you know, I imagine. Yeah, we're gonna go search for some rough dented tiles of similar color aesthetic. That's an adventure. What's the worst that could happen? Also on today's adventure list is the girls are gonna be moving. Hi. Yeah. So, good news and bad news, okay? Maybe you should sit down. Good news is you guys are going to get to stay in your house here. But the bad news is we're going to move the house into the hen's run so you guys can get to meet your mom and dad and spend some quality time together before we fully introduce you and integrate you into the clan. Okay? So we're going to do that later though. But you guys are looking good. Okay, good talk.
Guess how much paid me off skills?
2.
2?
Mm-hmm. Bye, Dave. 3.
4.
Can't wait to see some schoolwork today. Oh boy. Goodbye. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Dave coming through in the clutch. Albeit maybe a minute or two late. At least somebody's setting the example for the others. He sighs. Speaking of sighs, Sonia has taken a hiatus from washing for a while, and now she's back in the grind. Hey babe, what's up? Yes, you did. Yes, you did. You made a mountain. Dave needs to make a volcano, but you made a mountain. Okay, you're doing okay. I'll see you tomorrow. Is this Craig's clothes still in here from yesteryear?
Yep.
Don't eat the soap, dear. I can make you breakfast. Uh-huh.
Yep.
Alright. Okay. Okay. So... Nope. Are we going shopping in a little bit? We're going to bring him to school and still go shopping? Is that the plan? Yeah? Oh, I knew I'd get myself in a problem. Yeah, so the dogs have been on this barking thing for a while, at like 2 in the morning. Sorry, neighbors, it's not... We have those dogs. Yeah. And then they come in the morning, they're like, what? I didn't do anything wrong, I'm good. What do you mean? We're good, right? My favorite part of it is Miss Emma here, Miss Darling Emma here. Always sits ladylike.
She's a lady.
You, Emma. Always sitting ladylike, crossing your legs. I know, can't stay mad at you, even if you bark at 2 o'clock in the morning. I know it's you. Ladies. Yep, it's not fun. It's not fun. I was hiding in the washroom. Fred came back asking for the extra on-time money, as I like to call it, and we made an exchange. decide which was more important, the cell phone or the extra 500 for school. You gave up the cell phone. He'll get it back when he gets home from school. Excuse the hair, it does that. But yeah, I don't like doing this. I don't like being the bad, evil parent. But someone's got to teach responsibility. And of all people, they put that role on me. Speaking of hidden wonders, it's not great, but some of the cauliflowers and the eggplant's still alive. Yeah, hi. If you zoom in, you look a lot bigger. There's two bites of cauliflower there, still going. Some broccoli, still heading in. The tomatoes are not thrilled, but maybe we'll get some eggplant still. Maybe. Shall see. Actually, on day number 2 of no rain, so we're getting a little bit drier out, and I think our bananas here are still gonna possibly ripen. Yeah, you guys, they're connected still at the source, so we're holding out and hoping you guys will still do your thing. The mighty have fallen, but they're still going strong.
I watch the uniform them on the white marine after the camp.
Yeah. Too late, sir. Junior has had a hard time taking care of socks, like, since the beginning of time. And so, yeah, that's right. It is. It's all black and white around here, as you know, so he might as well, like, metaphorically and literally keep the socks going, too, in the same regard. So, Christmas is coming. Christmas is coming. We're going to have a special conversation episode with the Sonia soon come on Christmas, and gifts and ideas and socks. Wow. Junior, I think I have a new nickname for you. Are you ready for it? So, many, many years ago, there was a movie that came out called Dances with Wolves. 1990, yeah. Long time ago. But as my father's favorite movie. Anyway, the main character, meets a wolf in his adventure. And guess what he named him? Guess what he named him?
What?
Two Socks. I'm not joking. You can't make this up. If we had Google, I would show you right now. Yeah, he named him Two Socks. That was his wolf friend. Great movie. You should watch it when you're older one day. But I think that might be your new nickname, dude. Because that's why he named him Two Socks. Because he had two different colored feet. Well, wolves don't have socks, but you get the idea. They looked like socks. Cue the nostalgia moment, man. Dances with Wolves. Yeah, Two Socks. I was like, wait a minute. I've heard that name before somewhere. Good fit. You got your money? Yeah. What's up, bro? Guess what time it is? Guess what time it is? Do you know what time it is? It's actually quite late. It's 7:45. Nana's washing. The boys are gone. We got to get you up to school. Ready? Charge! Charge. No, you're coming with me. You're coming with me. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. No, you can't stay in bed all day. You're not a teenager yet. Get your dirty, stinking off. You're stuck. All right, we're going. Boy, that's right. Guess you got ready super fast and quick.
Your beard.
Uh-huh.
Your beard too.
Really? 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 It was like he bathed. He bathed in spirits. He did great. You can't tell a lie. Look at that. You can't tell a lie, huh? We got him rubbed and wiped down to the finest. Put the lotion on the face. We gotta go. Oh, they're playing the bells. I tried. Andre! Good morning. I'll see you later. Have a good day. You good? Bye-bye. We did it. We are getting the boy off to school, and then we're going tile shopping. Broken tile shopping for an 11 by 11 and a 9 by 12 space. Never done broken tile shopping before. It's kind of more fun, you know? You never know what you're gonna get, what you're shopping for. Before I forget, I did want to mention that Craig did a great job last night with his homework. He had, here's this interesting, we call it GCF, greatest common factor, but here they call it highest common factor, HCF, doesn't have the same ring to it. But yeah, we had to make prime factor trees and then figure out which, out of a set of 3 or 4 numbers, which one was the highest, what is the highest common factor between those numbers? And I will say, he probably spent a good 45 minutes on it, getting it done. So, we're going to call that progress. We're going to call that progress. Kids are getting ready for school. We're going to go broken tile shopping. Yeah, sounds like an adventure to me. Pieces of wood are in your car. You don't even know where they came from. I'm going to get out of here soon. All right, seatbelts. Seatbelts. Get your seatbelt on so we can go. You got your supple gin?
Yeah.
Got your uniform?
Yeah.
Got your bag? Got your smile? Nice. Got your smile? Where's your smile?
Smile.
Close enough. Seatbelts. We're going. All right, sir. This is us. Have a pleasant day at school today.
I'm left my phone on.
Okay, I'll turn it off when we get home.
Yeah.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Love you.
Love you.
Have a great day.
Bye.
Yes. Come on, Sonia. Get my bags. Hi, where's my hugs? Oh, love you. Mwah. Do your best, okay?
Yeah.
I'll see you after school. Wow. Sluggy buggy. Oh, you get carried too? Wow. Bye. Love you. See you later. Bye. Bye-bye.
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 Love you.
Gangnam.
Yo. Bye-bye. Oh boy. Kids. Never gets old, man. You know it, but one of these days you're gonna wake up and he's gonna tell you, I wanna go to school on my own. And he'll be like, remember those moments when you got to drive him and he actually enjoyed saying goodbye? Oh, we're going tile shopping. We're gonna go tile shopping. Yeah.
Disgusting when I cook up my school.
What?
Lunch disgusting.
What's that?
You picking me them?
Not our picnic, them.
No.
Morning.
Morning.
Well, Tell the pick-me them that didn't appreciate their lunches when they got them. Ready to go tile shopping? Okay. Okay. I got them. Alright. Okay. We're going. Morning. I'm going.
1:30 store over there.
First stop, our local Skymar. See if they got a bunch of new tile. I'm sure they gotta have some chipped or cracked ones in there somewhere, right? We'll go find out. Really? Well, strike one on the broken tile. That's all right. We got all day. We're retired. I just gotta figure out how to turn the car on. Off to the next place, right?
Yep.
Yep. We're gonna go. All right, round 2 was semi-successful, if that's a thing. They do have plenty broken tile. It's $1,500 a bag. Is it? Sonia wanted to try that aloe vera drink with real aloe pomegranate artificially flavored.
It's artificial flavor. It's not even real. There's some clumps in it. Not even know.
It's 20% aloe vera though. And cane sugar and grape juice and honey. The only thing fake about it is the pomegranate flavor. That's not horrible. Shake well before opening, dear.
We did shake your.
Did you? Okay, I'm not gonna shake mine. All right, so yeah, it's $1,500 a chicken feed bag, but you don't get to pick and choose your tile. But then we found the regular tile, and that's $400 a tile. So you're looking at the difference between like 6,000 versus 60,000. So we're gonna go to Port Maria and see what they have to offer. Ready? That's excitement right there. You can't make this up. Okay, stop number 3. Is it Boswell's? Is that what it said? Hardware? Port Maria, Oceanside Hardware Store. Broken tile. Ready?
Boswell.
I need some positive juju vibes. They're gonna have it, right?
Yeah, they're gonna have it in there.
If they don't, she's gonna have it. Okay. I make my jokes. Okay. Things are looking up. We're off to go find some chicken feed bags because they sell the bags at $800 a piece. And while they can't guarantee it's going to be rough ones, they can kind of schmooze a bit of most of them, hopefully. So we're going to go find some chicken feed bags. And at half the price of the other place, we opted to take 6. I'll get 6 for now, and if we need to get more, we'll come back.
Yeah. Where you come?
That'll work.
The more.
Huh?
The further you come, the more things get cheaper, it seems like.
The further you drive, the cheaper it gets.
Yep.
That's
you stay in town.
Imagine if you fly somewhere, like all the way to Jamaica, what you end up with.
You stay in the town, you get town price.
Yeah, so when you don't know how many bags you should get, tiles you should get, it becomes dependent upon how many bags you're able to find. And we've got 5, so 5 bags of tile it is. Yeah. Okay, we got tile, 5 bags, and it's a bit more than I thought it was going to be, so I'm glad we didn't get more. But it's like suspense. It's like a gift. You don't even know what kind of tiles are in there. I got a sneak little peek.
Because I don't know.
The ones that I saw looked like...
The ones that we have at the house already, some of them.
Oh, you saw it? You snuck a peek?
No, let me see the outside which one here.
Either way, it's only 10:43 and mission accomplished. We've got tile, we've got bread, we've got dinner, mac and cheese, corned beef. Haven't had that in forever. And now we gotta get home.
That's our favorite food.
Listen for the tile falling. Here we go. Road. Well, it's official. Life in the U.S. might, again, be like a box of chocolates. But man, life in Jamaica, it's like buying a broken tile bag of wonders. You never know what you're going to get. But before you get even like the bag of wonders, you got to go to the first shop that says they don't have anymore. You got to go to the second shop that says they'll sell you it at $1,500 a bag, but they won't guarantee you're going to get like rough tile or outdoor tile. Then you drive down to the next town over, go to the third shop and say, yeah, they'll sell you it, and they'll even prioritize rough tile, but you got to find your own bags. So then you got to walk to 2 other shops to find rice bags or chicken feed bags, because you first stopped at the farm store and they didn't have any chicken feed bags. So then you went to the market and they had rice bags, and you asked for 8 and they give you 5. Then you get those for like 30 Jamaican dollars a piece, shout out. And then you walk back to the original place and you get those bags for half the price of the first store. And mostly, I think from the part that I saw, rough tiles are going to be good to go. So we'll see. Life is like buying a bag full of broken tiles. Much cheaper too, by the way, because if I priced it out based on how much it costs per one tile, $400 a tile, and we would have needed about 60 grand worth of tiles to have it set as the gazebo. Broken tiles, at least for the 5 bags we got, was only like $4,100. And it might be enough. We'll find out. But either way, they got more. So there you go. Who needs chocolate unless you're Sonia? And then you eat it before you get home. Yeah. We'll see how it goes. Well, that's it for the peace and quiet day. I don't know what happened. It's already 1:28. Mars is done with school in 2 minutes. Sonia hasn't returned from the bowels of the washroom since respectfully not winning her Ludi adventure. It wasn't that close. It was close. It was kind of close, but either way, the second half. This is like it's like the intermission, like the calm before the hurricane. Just you've had a nice half hour, 45 minutes, maybe even an hour. You can't even. Time flies when you're having peace and quiet. We'll get the grandson as soon as she gets up here, and the journey continues like a mixed bag of broken tile. We'll see what we get. Hopefully soon. Yo, bro, what's up, man? You beat her?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, you forgot something. Mars, where's my hug? Where's my hug, man? Oh, how'd you do today? You do your best?
Yeah.
Yeah? You're not cut? That's funny. All right. You're not ready to go home, are you? What? You want to go home?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. School was good?
Yeah. And phone.
Oh, your phone's at the house. Yeah?
And phone good.
Your phone's good?
Yeah.
How about your seatbelt?
Put on.
Okay, put it on.
Put on.
Yes. Here we go. Seatbelts.
Put on.
Liar. Let's go. Come on. I'm not moving till you do.
Yeah.
Put it on. I'm not moving. We're gonna be stuck here all day. Still got it. Emma, where's your food? Eskies. Hey. Uh-huh. Yo, enjoy your teeth, man.
Look.
Good? All right, you're not gonna go wash with Nana? You're not gonna go wash with Nana? Oh, I don't know. I think washing's more important than homework.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay, George Jefferson. We got the Mares Shuffle here. Wow.
Put that.
You good?
Put it.
Wow, careful, dude. Yeah. Bye. I know, if you can't beat them, you join them. That's what they say. Hmm.
That's something like
Yes, cheers. Ooh. Nothing like some water, sugar, and artificial flavoring and food coloring. Yay! But it's cold. It's nice.
But it's
every once in a while.
It's good. I'm the foil.
I don't know.
Not a question. I'm a kind of flower from the school anyway. I never could find sauce to put my book then.
Mm-hmm. You lost your phone again? Oh boy. Oh boy. Right. That's good. Did you look under the bed?
Huh?
Did you look under the bed?
Why would my phone be under the bed?
I don't know. The other thing you were looking for was under the bed.
My phone?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
So it's okay for a shoe to be under the bed, but not a phone?
No.
Well, that's crazy.
And that.
Yo.
I should put it under there.
Mm,
Right, Sonia?
she's all around the back washing. I know. That's what if you look how I feel, man. What do we got for homework, man?
I'm gonna know play it.
Mars, you're not gonna play it. It's a bag juice. What's up with the homework, dude?
I want to remember.
Mars, you're dripping bag juice, man. Oh boy. Yeah, you're still not paying attention to what you're doing. I don't know. I haven't looked. I'm a little worried.
24 minutes.
Mhm.
20 minutes.
How many do you got?
2 minutes.
Oh, nice.
No.
Here we go. What do we got? That's not 2 pages, dude. 35 to 38. 35, 36,
Mama,
37,
Dad,
38. That's 4.
No.
Yeah.
Ganda dai water, dude.
Yeah.
Ganda dai water, dude.
Oh, okay. Well, watch what you're doing, dude.
Oh.
Bag juice complexities.
Can I get one cookie?
Didn't you just have a bag juice?
No.
You didn't just have a bag juice when I saw you sitting at the
No,
name?
no.
What were you drinking?
I did so wait till I get syrup in a
Oh,
bottle.
sugar water. I don't know. Did he get a bag juice too?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yung mag-
Mara says yeah.
If it doesn't see ground, it's gonna stop.
Well, it's gone now.
It's gone. No, it's not. I got it.
No, leave it alone. Andre,
I
it's
got
okay.
it.
Do you see it?
Oh, don't eat me.
No,
Don't
it's out.
eat me. Don't 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 eat me. Coming with you. Coming with you. Time to try that. Don't eat that. Don't eat me. You just touched my hand. You got that hand.
Who needs toys? We got
Not
robot
eat me.
vacuums.
It's not gonna eat me.
Hours and hours of fun.
It almost got my hand.
Almost. Mares,
No.
Mares, don't touch the vacuum. Mhm.
Don't touch. Woo! That counts. Woo. I actually win.
Well, if the vacuum wasn't enough entertainment, Mars recently got a little bit of a gift. Let's see your speakers. Hey, sing. You're singing. You're singing. Let me hear it.
No. Look back at you. Look there. You see? See? Yes! And that's all I'm going to look back at me and say, March, look at it. You did that video, Yana?
That's a great song, my friend. It's a great song.
Yana.
I can hear you. It's beautiful. Whose bag juice? Whose bag juice bag? Mm-hmm. Well, that's interesting as usual, but I wanted to show a little observational notes here. So check the ground out. Haven't got rain for a couple of days. The earth is starting to crack, but we had them install some drainage pipe under the ground, and you can see there is still water draining out of the ground. I know, it's still coming out of the ground, even though it looks dry. Careful, careful, careful. Don't fall in. Okay, don't drown. Andre, watch your socks, man. Okay. Oh, that water, that's from the washing machine, so don't get confused. That's right, the washing machine that Sonia is so happy to have back. All right, enjoy the river, guys.
Okay.
Okay, where's your life jacket? Okay. Okay. Remember that giant one okra plant we had in this garden before the big fall, the rain? It survived, and I think it's at this point going to be growing seeds for us for the next season. Yeah, they are a bit past their eating prime, it looks like, but it would be good for some seeds though. Right, Emma? Right? Right. Okay, everybody wins. Everybody wins. Everybody wins. Everybody wins. You're not tired yet? You're not tired yet? Cool. Don't you miss having that level of energy? Keep running. Yeah, it's going to be in bed in no time.
Even YouTuber. So today at school, I did some religion and maths, and the test will be on next week. And then I went to IA class. We give her our homework, and the other students who didn't do it, we help them. And then after it was lunchtime, I ate a patty for my lunch. Then the other class didn't have no teacher, so me and my friends talked, and then school was over. Then I came home. That was my day.
Okay, what is it? Hmm?
What part of
Oh, what?
flowers?
A pot of flowers. Where's the pot? Oh, you haven't found the pot piece yet? Cool. I mean, I'm no expert, but I'm pretty sure the thin set's supposed to be on the tile, not all over you.
You want me a PhD?
All right, well, cool. You're doing great. Just, yeah. Okay, don't hurt yourself. I think they just like breaking towels. Okay, gentlemen and gentlemen, we are gathered here today to celebrate the life of the homework and to take it down. Yeah. What page you got to do, sir?
I have to do.
Yeah, you keep searching. What page do you have to do, sir?
25 to 28. 35 to 38.
Technically correct, but isn't that like 35 to 38? I mean, it's,
35 to 38.
well, technically it'd be like 35 a 38.
Nana.
But we'll work on it. It's not Spanish today. It's English.
Jamaican.
Is it math? Oh, math is easy. Oya do man. I'm not doing anything. I'm waiting for you to get started.
Then I would warm.
You're not asking me no questions.
I'm gonna come out.
You're I'm busy. You're right. What are you doing?
You're gonna get them tomorrow.
I'm not the book, sir.
Then that-
I'm not the book. Nice. Are you ready?
No.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Andre, Mares, what time is it?
After what time?
Eh?
After what time?
All right. Here we
Good night, YouTubers. So today at school, in the morning, we get devotion. After devotion, we go to our class. I do social studies today. After social study, I do guidance. After guidance, I eat my break. Then we play a little bit till break time is up. Then after break time, we go inside and then we do PE outside, and then after PE we eat our lunch, play a little bit, and then we go back inside and then we do social studies, and then we draw today. I get 100% on my social studies, schoolwork, classwork. I do well on my social study work today, and I thank God I do well. So bye, see you, have a wonderful night, good night, love you all.
Now, YouTubers, this is Mario Camp. Today at school, at devotion time, we sing and shout the victory. And we sing, God is not dead but He's alive. And we pray. And I go to physical class at 9 o'clock. And I go to math class because I have 30 minutes So we got to go home early at 1:30. And I go on the park bus and the students were giving us jokes. And I see a beautiful puppy on the road and an accident was happening. And it was a big traffic. So good night, YouTubers.
Oh, deja vu. Day's over. That's it. I suppose I'm supposed to get more tile tomorrow. You get a mixed bag of like shiny, soft ones and rough ones that are meant for the outdoors. And so it's a mixed bag, this whole life in Jamaica. But it's entertaining nonetheless. We're calling it time of death. 8:47 p.m. Kids are going home soon. Life is good. Bring on another adventure in the next one. Yay. We'll see you guys then. Say goodnight, Junior.
Good night, YouTuber.
Nice.